Good morning, boys and girls. We had a long weekend. It was Memorial Day weekend, and today is Tuesday, May 26, 2020. Help me read our sentence. We learn about animal. That's our new theme. But does that make sense? Let's read that one more time. We learn about animal. When we're talking about more than one, we have to add an S on the end. Now let's reread it and see if it makes better sense. We learn about animals. Wonderful. Did we start with our capital letter? Yes, we did. Did we end with a period at the end? Of course we did. And we left a finger space between every single word. We left a finger space between our words. We will begin a short week, only 4 days, and it will be about animals. Let's look at our hundreds, tens, and ones. 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 We have 1 square of 100, 6 sticks of 10, 9 leftover ones. Mrs. Ripley adds 1 more. We make a trade. We make a trade. We make a trade. We make a trade. Remember, when 10 ones are in the one side, we have to trade it in, and magically it becomes 1 stick of 10s. Now we'll take away the 9, and instead of 6 groups of 10, we now have 7. 170 days of kindergarten. And look, boys and girls, we have 1 box left. We'll see how full we can make that box. Let's change our sentence. We have now had 170 days of kindergarten. 3 digits. Fabulous. And it's our last week for our tricky words. Abracadabra, zippity-doo. What will the brown tricky word be for you? It's the opposite of mother. Father. Notice the TH in the middle and the at the end. We'll put it in our tricky words pouch. Father. And now, boys and girls, for Tuesday, come with me and we're going to look on our home learning page and see what we'll do for our work today. Remember, you can click on the instructions link to see this video. For prayer time, click on the Church Family of God blue link to see a video about learning about the church and how we become members of God's church. You'll do a page from your book and then draw a picture of your family being part of God's church. For math, click on the video and you're going to see a Making 10 video, and then you can practice ways to write 10, like 10 plus 0, or the addition sentence 5 plus 5. You can do that writing outside with chalk or inside on a piece of paper. And then for reading time, we're working on adding an S. When there's more than one animal, we add an S. Click on the blue link to read the book Splash, and there will be a seesaw activity about adding an S. Click on the blue link to do a Raz Kids book. If you have time, we've got some activities from Mrs. Cuck, from Mrs. Borman, and from Mr. T, and you can do a page from your math journal, practice math on Khan Academy, or do letter N in your handwriting packet. Have an awesome Tuesday, boys and girls.